So I want to give you a little more feedback on how to maybe write your personal action plan. Now, if you go to the website provided, you can use this as provide a little bit more information on what a personal action or personal development plan might look like, as well as provide a template. So if you scroll down, again, here's some more information on why this is important, some things to think about, other things like that. And then here's the free template as well. So if you click right on this template, all right, there we go. It'll show you again additional examples of this information, and you can kind of use this as a guide here. So if I was to figure this out, how I wanted to do this, I might say, one life area I want to address is my health. I'm not happy with, how much I exercise and I eat. So like, let's say health area, the goal is that I'm going to exercise at least 3 days a week. Okay. And I'm going to spend at least 30 minutes each day that I'm exercising doing so. When is my deadline? Well, I'm going to start, this week. So I want to say by the end of the week. Success criteria. Maybe I have 2 deadlines here so I can have better success criteria. So one deadline is going to start by the end of the week, and then I'm also going to keep it up for 6 months. So success criteria is I work out 3 times this week, and I work out, however many times it comes down to during that 6-month period, and maybe give myself a little leeway. Like maybe I'm on vacation, maybe I got the flu, maybe there's other things. So taking a couple days off, being reasonable about the success criteria, the action plan. What am I actually going to do? This is where you get a little more detailed. So I might say, on Mondays I'm going to go for a run. On Wednesdays I'm going to do weightlifting. On Fridays I'm going to do yoga or something like that. Okay. Then any notes to help me along the way, maybe some resources I need. For example, like in another life area, I might, again, health-wise, I'm going to eat healthy. And I have some notes here, like maybe I put down in the notes section, meal planning, what I'm going to do eat each day so that I can make sure that I'm keeping track of that. Or maybe, I want to use an app on my phone to help me keep track of that type of stuff or any of these things. So you can write any notes you want. So again, you can fill this out to the best of your ability, but then making sure you're following the directions as well. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask.